Currently, the temperature is 70 degrees under partly cloudy skies.
My only love. My only love. My only love. Does it seem so funny? For a fool to cry. Do you know the meaning of goodbye? There's a river flowing by a willow tree.
For tonight, partly cloudy skies, low 56, winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, partly cloudy, high 88, winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, a few clouds from time to time, low 56, winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, sun and a few passing clouds, high 85, west winds shifting to north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.